Pro here, and we're gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Now, the lighting's kind of bad because it's late at night, but I'm hoping that this still turns out pretty good. So let's get right into it. And I do this pink makeup look all the time, so it's good for whenever, but especially Valentine's Day. So first I'm gonna grab my Buxom Call Me Hold the Line Waterproof Eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my upper waterlines. For the first eyeshadow shade, I'm grabbing this E22 brush from Morphe. We're gonna need our Huda Beauty Neons palette, and I'm going into this lightest pink shade right here, and I'm just dipping the brush in there. There's a bit of fallout, and I'm just gonna go right above my crease with it. And I'm just gonna blend that right above my crease. Next, I'm gonna grab this E17 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna grab this really pink shade right here. And I'm going to put this first on my outer corner. So I'm just gonna very lightly like dab it, slightly blending, but really just doing a bit of a dab. And then I'm gonna grab some, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Again, just dabbing. And I want my inner corner, my outer corner to be a bit darker. So I'm just gonna go over and add some product before I finally blend it up and into the middle. And into my crease. And I'm also just gonna blend it out a little bit more, give it some drama. Now I'm gonna grab that same E22 brush, and I'm just gonna blend all of this out. So it's not harsh, it's a little bit lighter. Next I'm gonna grab my M321 brush, and it's just a kind of like more tiny blendy brush. And I'm just going to get that really deep into my outer and inner corners. Just like kind of make the color really pop there. And a little bit in my crease, just for some extra flair. And now I'm just very lightly dusting my lid with it. Now I'm gonna grab this blender brush again, and I'm just going to lightly blend up. Try to make my eyes look even bigger than they are. I'm gonna grab my NYX glitter glue and put just a tiny bit on my finger and dab it in the center of my lid and work my way kind of towards the inner corner and up. So almost like you're making a cut crease with this glitter glue. And I'm going to use first this glitter here and then this glitter. So I'm going to use my middle finger, and I'm going to get a good amount of glitter on there, and I'm going to just tap that onto my lid. Do you guys see this like reflection? It's so nice. Next I'm going to grab my ring finger, and I'm going to dip it into that lighter pink shade right here, and I'm just going to go over it so very lightly. I really like this because it's just like a nice, really like light bright, and I think it's a nice top coat, but I like the more dark pink, I guess, more. Then if you want a little bit of extra flair, I would go in with the M149 brush. Get this shade, it's actually like a little bit darker. Tap off the excess and go right under your eye with it. Okay, and now we're done with the shadow. So let's move on to eyeliner. Now this eyeliner is gonna be a bit tricky for me because I'm gonna use the viewfinder to try to do it, but we're gonna make just a nice clean line and then wing that out. Okay, we've done it. Now I just need to wing it. Okay, now we've got our eyeliner on. It was really stressful, but we did it. Next that I suggest is grabbing this brown. If you have blue eyes, I would suggest brown. If you have darker eyes, maybe black. I just like how brown looks with blue eyes, and I'm going like right on my lower lash line. And I'm using my Buxom Hold the Line Waterproof Eyeliner and Come Over. This is like one of the best brown shadows I've ever seen. Next, I'm using my brand. I'm using 3XB Beauty's eyelashes, and I'm grabbing my lash. It's gonna be a bit too long for my little eyes, so I'm just going to trim it. Okay, and that should be perfect. Now let's put on these lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, once you've got your big lashes on, then I actually like to put the mascara on after I have on lashes, because my lashes are really like blonde white, and it's just kind of like easy for me to see where they are and kind of connect them to my big fake lashes. Alright, and then I just put on some mascara on my bottom lash. But now let's move on to lips. We've got the Huda Beauty Set of Lip Mini Liquid Lip Lip Gloss. What shade is this in? Okay, we've got the Huda Beauty Contour and Strobe Lip Set in Muse / Angelic. So first we've got the Muse Contour. So I like to overline my lips. So I go above my lip line. I go a lot lighter on my bottom lip because I know my bottom lip is pretty big already, so I need to worry about it. Next, we're grabbing this liquid lipstick in Muse. I honestly, in hindsight, should have wiped off my chapstick to give myself more of like a matte base. Okay, and now that the lip gloss has set, let's put this Angelic lip topper on top. And I've never tried the shade ever, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. It's actually so gorgeous. And there you have it, guys. This is my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial.